In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Photo Raw as a plugin with Lightroom and Photoshop. So to begin here, let's actually head into our preferences first. So let's go up to our preferences by hitting On1 Photo Raw 2019 and then clicking Preferences. If you're on a Windows computer, simply go to File and then Preferences. And we're going to head into this Files tab here. In this What to Edit section, we can choose how we want our photos to be saved whenever we edit them in Resize or an external editor such as Photoshop or Lightroom. Basically, this is the file format you want to choose whenever you send a photo into Lightroom or Photoshop from Photo Raw. These bottom two options here that are already selected, I would recommend leaving them on. This first option enables On1 to save sidecar files automatically for you for non-destructive edits and metadata. The second one, it just automatically applies lens correction, which can save you time when editing. Now let's head up to this Plugins tab. If you're using Photo Raw as a plugin with Photoshop, this will determine how you want the effects or settings applied to whatever you're working on in Photoshop. You can have those results applied to the copy of the current layer or the current layer. If you're using Photo Raw as a plugin with Lightroom, this will determine how you want those files sent over into Photo Raw. Once you have all of the settings you want applied, just simply go down to OK. If you're working on a photo in Lightroom and you want to use Photo Raw as a plugin, simply head up to your top menu, inside File, go into Plugin Extras, and under On1 Photo Raw 2019, you can choose which application you want to send that into to use as a plugin. I'm just going to click Develop. Now it's sent that photo over to Photo Raw, and now I can process it inside of Develop. Once I'm done and want to go back into Lightroom, I could head down to Done. If you're working on a photo in Photoshop and want to send it into Photo Raw, simply head up to your File menu, go down to Automate, and then you can choose which On1 application you want to send it into. I'm just going to choose On1 Effects 2019. Now I'm in On1 Photo Raw 2019 Effects, and I can start adding filters or adjusting my photo as I please. Again, once I'm done with my photo, I can just head down to Done. You can also use Photo Raw as a plugin with Apple Photos. To learn more about how to do that, simply head up to the Help menu here and go into On1 Effects Online Help. There we'll have the user guide where you can access a bunch of extra information about On1 Photo Raw 2019.